www.howtomarkcards.com. In this video, we're going to show you ultraviolet lighting and marked cards versus infrared lighting marked cards. So UV is ultraviolet, and on the light spectrum, it is less than visible light. Visible light is between 400 nanometers to 700 nanometers. UV lighting is from 10 nanometers to 400 nanometers, while infrared lighting is 700 nanometers to 1,000 nanometers. Now, visible light is the middle. That's what you can see perfectly clear. If the marking is UV marking, you cannot see it with your normal vision, but it can be detected through UV lighting. While infrared markings are also not visible, but can only be seen with red filters, such as like the infrared sunglasses or contact lenses. The UV light will not be able to detect infrared, and the infrared will not be able to detect UV because they're on the opposite side of the light spectrum. So, for example, this pen right here is, well, that was for writing that, but this pen right here is infrared marking pen. This will mark cards, and then you'll be able to see it with the infrared sunglasses. This marking pen is for UV marks. This is for like if kids want to create secret messages, and then they shine the light like this, and then they can see the messages. So we're going to show you the UV lighting first. UV marking is way better for paper. So you can write like, let's just do a heart. I'm not going to be able to see that, but heart, and then let's just do an arrow. So not visible, but you shine the light. Let's see, where is it? Okay, there's the heart. I'm not sure if it's gonna. I don't think it's gonna show up on the paper. Let's try a better one. Let's go right here. Okay. There's the circle right there. Kind of hard to see. I could see it perfectly clear on normal vision, but for this camera, it's kind of hard to see. So you just gotta believe me that it's a UV marked spot right there. Now I'm gonna show you a card. This card is going to be marked. But first I'm going to write it on here with the UV marking. Right there. Shine. Nothing. So now we're going to mark it with the luminous pen, the infrared marking pen. So I'm going to try to mark this with holding this and the card at the same time. I have to hold the card down. I'm going to put lines down here. The lines indicate what suit it is. Okay. Now I'm going to dry it off real quick. I'm going to use my shirt here. All right. Marking undetected, but taking these infrared sunglasses, you will be able to see it. Now, there's no trick camera. Some people like to say that it's a trick. He turns on something. But we're going to show you. So this, I put a jack with 2 lines. I'm sure the camera can catch up on it. Jack. jack. See how that is? Hoping it's on the camera. Okay. Jack, spades. Jack. Now, here's the true test. Can UV lighting see infrared marked cards? Some people would go to a poker game and use UV lighting to try to catch some cheaters. Well, let's see. Nothing. No line. No line down there. No jack. Nothing. It cannot detect infrared. You should be able to see that if it was detectable, you would be able to see a jack right there. But there's nothing there with UV lighting. Again, here's the UV pen. Let's try one more time, because I'm trying to get this camera to show it, but it's not showing it. So I marked right there. So to the naked eye, it's right there. Just kind of hard to see. And again, mark this. It won't show up either. Thanks for watching.